If you are looking for an AI tool that can generate videos, animations, and cinematic scenes from simple prompts, then Seedance 2.0 AI is one of the newer platforms getting attention right now. In this video, I will cover what Seedance 2.0 actually does, its best features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Seedance 2.0 AI? Seedance AI is an AI powered video generation platform designed to create short videos using text prompts and images. The main goal of this platform is to help creators generate cinematic content quickly without advanced editing tools or advanced editing skills. You simply type what you want, choose a style, and AI generates a video clip automatically. It's mainly targeted at content creators, YouTubers, social media marketers, designers, small businesses, AI video enthusiasts. Main features: AI text to video generation. The biggest feature is text to video creation. You can describe a scene like a futuristic city at night with flying cars, and the AI creates a short animated video based on that prompt. The outputs usually look cinematic and visually impressive, especially for short form content. Image to video animation. You can also upload an image and animate it. This is useful for thumbnail animations, AI art videos, product showcases, character animations. This feature helps turn static images into moving scenes without manual editing. Multiple visual styles. Seedance 2.0 supports different styles, including realistic, anime, cinematic, fantasy, 3D style visuals. This makes it flexible for different types of creators and content. Fast rendering. Compared to some older AI video generators, Seedance 2.0 is relatively fast. Short clips can be generated within a few minutes depending on server load and video quality settings. Beginner friendly interface. One thing I like it is that the interface is simple. Most tools are easy to understand even if you have never used AI tools or AI video software before. You do not really need editing experience to start creating videos. Video quality. The overall video quality is surprisingly good for an AI generated content. Motion looks smoother than many basic AI video tools, and scenes often have strong lighting and cinematic effects. However, like most AI video generators, it still has limitations. Characters can sometimes look inconsistent, hand movements may appear strange, complex scenes may contain visual glitches. Longer videos are less reliable than short clips, so it works best for short cinematic content rather than full long form productions. Pricing. Seedance 2.0 usually works on a credit based system or subscription plan depending on the version you use. Most AI video platforms offer limited free generations, paid monthly plans, higher quality exports on premium tiers. Before subscribing, it's a good idea to test the free version first to see if the output quality matches your needs. You can check pricing directly on the official website. Pros. Pros of Seedance 2.0: easy to use, high quality cinematic visuals, good for short form content, multiple art styles available, fast AI generation, useful for social media creators. But of course, as we all know, nothing is perfect and it has some cons. Downsides of Seedance 2.0 include AI glitches still happen, longer videos can become inconsistent, advanced editing controls are limited, premium plans may become expensive with heavy usage, generated clips are usually short. Who should use it? Seedance 2.0 is best for YouTubers making AI visuals, TikTok and Shorts creators, social media marketers, people creating cinematic AI clips, beginners who want simple AI video generation. But if you need professional level editing or long movie style projects, traditional video editors may still be better. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, Seedance 2.0 is a strong AI video generator for creators who want fast cinematic content with minimal effort. The visuals can look impressive, the interface is beginner friendly, and the AI generation speed is decent. It's not perfect, especially with longer scenes and character consistency, but for short form AI videos, trailers, and social media content, it performs well. If you enjoy experimenting with AI generated visuals, Seedance 2.0 is definitely worth trying. And that is it for this Seedance 2.0 AI review. If you found this video helpful and useful, do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite AI video generator right now. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.